So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review the Sensei Toys Tata Sumo. So first of all I will talk about the pricing. So I have got it for around 120 bucks, believe me or not, but I would like to say that please don't pay more than 150 bucks because the price is below 100 bucks, that's why. So let's start with it. So first of all you will be seeing this. So this comes on the top of this, which looks kind of ugly for me, that's why I keep it out. I don't like it, but then the holes are exposed, that's why. And over here you can see there's red dots on the wheel caps. Sorry, the alloy rims only they look like, but they are a wheel caps because they don't have gaps in their middle, because you all can see this black part that I have only painted, otherwise they look like steel rims. And over here was a front guard which I have taken out and fully made the bumper and headlight side with white. And over here this black thing also I have done the race stripes. And at the back if you will see simple tail lights, and this also I have done it in white. The bumper also Victor written over here, this also I have done black. And here is the Tata Sumo logo. And if you will see on the inside, it's kind of okay. The motor isn't that much, kind of I can say, exposed. And one thing I really liked about this car, that was there was no man in this car. Really, in Sensei Toys cars you don't see without man, that's why I like this toy. And over here this black and all this I have only made. This Sumo logo is from the company, this also I have done. And the sports obviously I have only written. This side nothing I have done. This side you can see it is looking truly simple. And yes, the doors do open in a nice way. This door opens nicely, but still this side it makes little bit of crackling sound, why I don't know. And the steering is kind of floppy. And I wait a minute, is there a gearbox over there? No, there is no gear. It isn't automatic also, but the company did forget to give the gearbox, why I don't know really. And the mirrors are also in black. And if I will talk about the motor is the most impressive part of this toy. So much speed. Wait, I will show you a single shot. Wait. You can see the power of the motor. Wait, I will. So fast it walks. Wait, I will show you. Oh, it fall down. Really, the motor is truly very fast. That's why I like the motor really. So I would like to say you that it is a very nice toy for the price, but please don't pay more than 180 to 160 bucks because it is not worth than that. Obviously it's a plastic toy, and the front windshield is kind of nice. Here is the mirror, and here are the two small wipers, I think you all can see. And here is the Tata logo. The cage obviously I have broken it, I have told you that. So first of all I would like to say you that it's a good car obviously. And over here the Sensei logo, the same obviously Sensei Toys also have a model of this Tata Sumo, but still this is more cheaper than that obviously, because that comes of approximately 230 bucks, but this is more worth than that. But still this has a little bit of finishing touch, kind of missing problem, because of the front grill was not that much strong. It broke with my one finger only, it was so kind of weak, that's why. Kind of I could say that it was made up of rubber and plastic, I would say. So guys, this was all for today's review. I hope that you all have liked this. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.